Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to contact MatchTrader support step by step. So let's dive in. Now, unlike some trading platforms, MatchTrader itself is not a broker. It's technology used by brokers and prop firms to power trading accounts. And this means if you have a live trading account with a broker or prop firm using MatchTrader, you must contact your broker support team for help with issues like logging into your trading account, trade execution issues, withdrawals or deposits, lost passwords, or even trade problems. That's because MatchTrader does not manage individual accounts or client funds. Only your broker does. And since MatchTrader acts as a platform through your broker, any account specific help should be handled by your broker support. Now, if you need technical or general information or issues about MatchTrader, you can contact the company behind the platform. All you need to do is just go ahead and log in to your match trading account. And from here, you want to click on this button at the very bottom on the right side of your screen. It says here, let's chat. So all you need to do is just open this up and start a chat by clicking let's chat again. Now from here, you want to type in your issues or ask for help. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, they will reply. Now, I want to let you know that I'm using a demo account at the moment, but if you're not using a demo account, you'll have even more features, all right? But for the meantime, I'm using a demo account. But as you can see, when I asked for help, they will ask me to contact or go to this link. So let's do this. And on this new link, you'll see here contact information. So as you can see, they have their offices from all over the world, from Cyprus, UAE, Poland, and even Korea. So you can contact their sales team, their business operations team, liquidity partner, and even their IT team. So basically, oh, on this part as well, you can even type in your very own issues. Basically, that's it. Now you know how to contact MatchTrader support in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.